a great journey, right, to really carve out this Hatke programs, Ashutosh.
Yes, I'm all set.
Excellent, excellent. So I think over to you, Ashutosh. Ashutosh is, who has, we both are absolutely together here, and we have jointly conceptualized this program. And great Nanaji, I think we are hearing Nanaji's voice.
Yeah.
Great to have
Yes,
KC.
now only, yes.
केसी खुराना जी नमस्ते ग्रेट टू
Namaste
हैव
ji,
यू
namaste. Thank you,
आपका
namaste.
ब्लेसिंग है तो आई मीन हम तो नतमस्तक हो
अरे
गए
बिल्कुल हम बैठे हुए हैं सुनने के लिए बिल्कुल इसीलिए टाइम रखा हुआ था.
गॉड
Thank you
ब्लेस
very much.
थैंक यू सो
Welcome,
मच
welcome, Nanaji.
All the best, all the best.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो आशुतोष ओवर टू यू लेट्स रॉक दिस एंड मेक दिस एज अनदर सक्सेस दैट वी हैव वंडरफुल
Sure.
थैंक्स ऑल टू यू
Yeah. Well, thank you, Shirish. And good evening, all of you, once again. We are here for another Hatke orchestra by the title Songs on Piano. So, we shall be performing the songs which are played on the screens on piano, and you will be hearing in total 14 songs which are played on grand piano in movies. These 14 songs are sung by 9 different singers, and the songs are composed by 9 different music directors. The 14 songs are divided as follows: 9 songs are sung vocally, 2 shall be presented on whistle, 1 on harmonica, and 2 on real grand piano. To start with the program, I would request Vaishali Pol to please come on the screen for the first song which she'll be performing. And I request all other participants to please mute themselves. Vaishali, are you there?
Yes, Ashutosh.
Yeah.
Vaishali is
Welcome,
already on
Vaishali.
yes
And let us start with the piano program today. Friends, world's first grand piano was invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori in 1720 in Florence, Italy. This 1720s piano is maintained in the Metropolitan Museum in New York. In 1800, the piano is widely employed in classical, jazz, traditional, and popular music for solo and ensemble performances, accompaniment, and for composing, songwriting, and rehearsals. Modern piano built in 18th and 19th centuries, and now there are universities offering graduation, post graduation, and doctor of musical arts in piano. Piano usually has 66 to 88 keys. And let's listen to the first song played on real modern piano. But before that, let me tell you about the performer. The first performer is Vaishali Pol Halbe. She has completed her bachelor's and master's in electronics and telecommunication from COEP. She has worked in industry for 5 years in companies such as Jane Marshall, Philips, and lately ARAI. She has also worked as a consultant with ARAI for 3 years, worked in academics for 12 years. She is connected with Leela Poonawalla Foundation for scholarships to needy and meritorious girls from last more than 25 years. She has learned classical music singing. Later, she shifted to instrumental music since 1986. She has learnt accordion and piano from Institute of Modern Music, Pune. Pursuing music as her hobby, she enjoys playing old Hindi film songs on keyboard. Talking about the very first song she is presenting, it is from the movie Lal Patthar, and it is one of the rare film in which dream girl Hema Malini has played a negative role along with her co-artists Vinod Mehra, Rajkumar and Rakhi. The movie is also famous for one more song from the movie, which has won the Sur Singar Award, sung by Manna Dey and Asha, composed on Rag Yaman. And the song was Re Man Surmega. And the same movie has given us the piano song, which Vaishali is performing now, Geet Gata Hu Main, Gungunata Hu Main, composed by Shankar Jaikishan. Over to you, Vaishali. Shirish, there is no audio.
See, audio is not there.
You can replay the song from start. Well, we regret for that technical glitch. We are trying to resolve it. Yes. Well, that was amazing, Vaishali. You just took me back to our COAP days when I remember you used to play synthesizer for all our orchestras during COAP days. I would like to ask you one very simple question, Vaishali. You have been playing so many hundreds of songs, maybe thousands of songs so far. So, what has fascinated you to select this song? Vaishali, over to you, please.
Yeah. Hello, Ashutosh. Thank you. First of all, let me thank you and Shirish for including me in this key program.
I will, Vaishali, just a second. I'll mute all, just unmute yourself, okay? There are some background sounds coming. Yeah, please go ahead.
Is it okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ashutosh, let me first thank you and Shirish for including me in this key program, I will say, piano key program. Yeah, it is a great experience. बेसिकली सॉन्ग सिलेक्शन पियानो म्हणल्यानंतर खूप सारी सॉंग्स आली समोर. दिस इज अ रेअर कॉम्बिनेशन. जनरली किशोर कुमार आणि शंकर जयकिशन हे कॉम्बिनेशन खूप जास्त गाण्यांमध्ये नाही आहे आपल्याकडे. सो शंकर जयकिशनचे हे सुंदर कॉम्पोजिशन आहे. म्हणजे द रिदम इज वॉल्स, मायनर स्केल, गाणंभर पियानो वाजतो. जरी पियानो पिक्चराइज सॉन्ग आहे आणि पियानो पण वाजतो, दॅट इज ऑल्सो अन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. अशी सॉंग्स वाजवताना जनरली शंकर जयकिशन सारखी कॉम्पोजिशन वाजवताना एकट्या दुकट्याने वाजवायचं म्हणजे ते केविलपणा प्रयत्न वाटतो ऍक्च्युअली. सो आय प्रिपेअर्ड द ट्रॅक फॉर दिस, in which I included the rhythm, the strings, contra melody, आणि मग त्याच्यावरती लीड प्ले केलं. सो त्याचं म्हणतात ना की फुल ना फुलाची पाकळी, तसं मे बी हे पाकळीचं रिक्रिएशन असं तुम्ही म्हणू शकता. थँक्यू.
Well, Vaishali has taken a lot of efforts, and we know that since COEP days, she has been a very meritorious and very sincere student as well. So that is seen in whatever we do. So thank you, Vaishali, and congratulations for a beautiful song. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's go to the second song and second performer, Rajashri Chavan Telkar. May I request Rajashri to please come on the screen?
Yeah,
Hello.
let's come. Yeah.
Hello, Rajashri. Well, Rajashri has done BE Electrical from COEP 30 years before, securing second rank in Pune University. After working in electrical engineering field, she moved to business analyst's role in IT industry. Currently, she is working as a program manager in Infosys. She is a managing committee member of a prestigious Pune-based group of educational institutes. She is a regular marathon runner, music lover, a die-hard fan of Bollywood old songs. She has won first runner-up trophy in the famous ZTV Antakshari program in UAE Special Mega Finals. She has no formal training in classical music but getting trained in light music. Apart from Bollywood music, she loves ghazal genre and with her favorites Jagjit Singh and Pankaj Udhas ji. So also some of the 70s and 80s western bands like Boney M and ABBA, etc. Now talking about the song which she is going to perform. For this song, the music composer is Naushad Ali, that is Naushad Saab. Naushad Saab had tremendous knowledge of Indian classical music and could play several musical instruments. Dada Saheb Phalke and Lata Mangeshkar award winner Naushad Saab was the first music director to be awarded with Filmfare Best Music Director for his film Baiju Bawra in 1953. He was known for orchestration also, and he used 100-piece orchestra in 1952 for the movie Aan. Naushad was the first composer to have developed the system of Western notations in India. These notations for the music of the film Aan were published in book form in London. The first instrument that Naushad ever learned to play in his life was the harmonium, and later he mastered the piano as well. Naushad's musical journey, which began in 1937, it commenced with a job as a pianist in the orchestra of music director Mushtaq Hussain. He contributed in a major way towards introducing the piano songs into the psyche of filmgoers by composing some of the earliest piano songs in Hindi cinema. He is the musician who has probably made the maximum use of piano in Hindi movie songs, starting from the movie Sanjog in 1943 until 1968. His every movie had at least one piano song. One of the biggest hits of its time, this love triangle had three brilliant singing stars of that time: Noor Jahan, Suraiya and Surendra as the protagonists, and the film is remembered till today for its outstanding music. Each of Naushad's composition in the film is a gem, with Noor Jahan and Surendra duet Awaaz De Kahan Hai becoming the spectacular hit. Both Noor Jahan and Suraiya got the opportunity to sing their feelings with a piano song each in the movie, Anmol Ghadi. Suraiya sang Main Dil Mein Dard Basa Lai, and Noor Jahan sang the song which is presented by Rajeshri now. Over to you, Rajeshri, for the song Jawa Hai Mohabbat.
जवा है मोहब्बत, हंसी है ज़माना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना. जवा है मोहब्बत, हंसी है ज़माना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना. मोहब्बत करे खुश रहे मुस्कुराए, खुश रहे मुस्कुराए, मोहब्बत करे खुश रहे मुस्कुराए, खुश रहे मुस्कुराए, ना सोचे हमें क्या कहेगा जमाना, क्या कहेगा जमाना, जवां है मोहब्बत हंसी है जमाना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना। अभी तक मुझे याद है वो कहानी, याद है वो कहानी, अभी तक मुझे याद है वो कहानी, याद है वो कहानी, ना भूले का बचपन का रंगी जमाना, रंगी जमाना, जवां है मोहब्बत हंसी है जमाना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना। यहाँ आँखों आँखों में बातें हुई है, यहाँ आँखों आँखों में बातें हुई है, किसी ने ना देखा, किसी ने न जाना, किसी ने न जाना, जवां है मोहब्बत हंसी है जमाना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना। तुम आए के बचपन मेरा लौटाया, लौटाया, तुम आए के बचपन मेरा लौटाया, लौटाया, मिला है मुझे जिंदगी का बहाना, जिंदगी का बहाना, जवां है मोहब्बत हंसी है जमाना, लुटाया है दिल ने खुशी का खजाना।
That was great, Rajeshri. Am I disconnected? Can you hear me?
Yes, we are able to. We are able to hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Because I cannot see. Can you see me? Because I cannot see myself.
You are not visible as video, but that's fine. We can go ahead. You are
Okay, fine.
audible. Fine.
Well, Rajeshri, that was really great. And there was a comment in the chat box that except Gajra, everything else is matching. Rajeshri, only it's probably because you have recently changed your hairdo, so where the Gajra cannot fit in. So the question to you with reference to this song is, the song is from Noor Jahan, who herself had a very different quality or timbre of voice. So what challenges did you face while preparing for this song?
ऍक्च्युली नूरजहां नाव आपण खूप ऐकलेलं आहे, पण तसं आतापर्यंत सगळं फॉलो केलं गेलं नव्हतं स्पेसिफिकली त्यांची गाणी म्हणा किंवा व्हिडिओज वगैरे. पण जेव्हा आपला हा प्रोग्राम ठरला तेव्हा सिलेक्शन करण्यासाठी जेव्हा सर्च केलं पियानोवरची फिमेल गाणी जुनी, आणि तेव्हा ऍज यू मेन्शन की नौशाद साहेबांना पियानो हा फार आवडीचा होता असं मला कळलं, आणि एक मोठा लेख त्याच्यावर मला मिळाला आणि त्याच्यात अशी 20-25 गाण्यांची लिस्ट होती जुन्या, आणि इतकी मजा आली त्या गाण्यांची हिस्ट्री वाचताना. पण त्यातलं मी हे आणि अजून एक 2-3 गाणी सिलेक्ट केली, ग्रुपमध्ये टाकली होती. सगळ्यांना वाटलं की हे गाणं माझ्या आवाजाला जास्त सूट होतंय, आणि गाणं सुंदरच आहे, नो डाऊट अबाउट इट. आणि दुसरं मला या व्हिडिओमध्ये अजून एक जाणवलं, 75 वर्षापूर्वीचा जो हा पिक्चर आहे, पण द कॉन्फिडन्स विथ विच दिस लेडी हॅज सांग अँड पोर्ट्रेड, अमेझिंग, म्हणजे मजा आली.
That's really good, and that was definitely I won't say eccentric, but a different kind of a song which you have presented to the audience, and you made those olden days to get back. Probably some of those age people are also watching our show, so thank you, Rajeshri, for that wonderful song.
Yeah, thank you
so
and
much.
Last comment, this is my mother's very favorite song, and I believe she is joined. तिने नक्की एन्जॉय केलं असेल.
So yeah, definitely.
Thanks everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Rajeshri, thank you so much. Let's move on to the third song. May I request Dr. Umesh to please be on the screen? The next song is by Dr. Umesh. Dr. Umesh Kollimat is BSc from Karnataka University and MBA from DAV and PhD from SRTM University. He started his professional career as a medical representative. Now he possesses 22 years of industrial and academic experience. He took singing as a measure to ward off stage fear during the college days, and he soon became indispensable of all the cultural events and competitions. He is a versatile performer of Bollywood and Sandalwood, that is Kannada classics, especially of the golden era singers such as Hemant Kumar, Mukesh, Muhammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, Yeshudas and S.P. Balasubramaniam in Hindi and Kannada. Currently, he is associated with AIMS, Baramati as an associate professor. He shall be presenting a song which is again from a piano maestro Naushad from Mehboob Khan's movie Andaz, which remains in cinematic history as one of the finest love triangles amongst Dilip Kumar, Nargis and Raj Kapoor. The film Andaz, made in 1949, had as many as 6 piano songs. Out of the 6 piano songs, 5 were picturized alone on Dilip Kumar, and the one was picturized, which you're going to see and listen now, is Dilip Kumar Saab and Nargis with dancer actress Kuku. Out of 6 piano songs, Mukesh sang 4. हम आज कहीं दिल खो बैठे was number 1, टूटे ना दिल टूटे ना number 2, and 2 more famous, झूम झूम के नाचो आज, and the one which Dr. Umesh is presenting, तू कहे अगर. Over to you, Dr. Umesh.
अगर जीवन भर मैं गीत सुनाता जाऊं, मन बीन बजाता जाऊं, तू कहे अगर और लाग मैं अपने दिल की हर दिल में लगाता जाऊं, दुख दर्द मिटाता जाऊं, तू कहे अगर
Kya baat hai, Dr. Umesh? That was really a mere surprise, and we could see the resemblance in your voice and Mukesh's voice. And I've been seeing you as singing for many different singers. So, what special preparation you were required to make for singing this Mukesh's song?
Oh my God, it will take hours for, the time you allotted to explain my ordeal in preparing this song, sir. It
Yeah.
will come, really short. I had different thoughts when the theme of the program was revealed to me, frankly speaking. But it was Shirish sir's insistence that this fantastic song, I'll be able to do justice. So I heard this song a couple of times, and honestly speaking, I fell in love with this song. I could not have sang anything better than this, especially befitting this theme. And as you have already elaborated upon the prowess with which Naushad ji has introduced the piano-based songs, and I thought amongst the 4 songs of this film, this is the best song I think I would have
True,
performed.
true, true.
And while practicing this song, I felt even though the trio of Kishore, Mukesh, and Mohammad Rafi, all these were impressed by Naushad. Sorry,
Yes.
Saigalji, Kundarlal
Saigal.
Saigalji, and Mukesh was more so. And
Hmm.
in this song, Mukesh, I think he must be in his late 20s, and he was still in tremendous impression. Influence of Kundanlal Saigalji's voice, and that shows in this song.
Yes, yes, yes.
The freshness of Mukeshji's voice and the influence of Kundanlal Saigalji, the first ever superstar that Bollywood has produced, and the superstars in making, Dilip Kumarji and Raj Kapoorji, both in this film. I
True,
think
true.
they have gelled well, and that is how this kind of songs came up. So I
Absolutely.
consider myself fortunate to perform this song for this program. Thank you
We
so
are
much.
also really fortunate to listen to you exactly in the song of Mukesh. So
Thank you
thank
so much.
you, Dr. Umeshji, for that wonderful song. Let's move ahead quickly to the next performer, Shirish Kulkarni, who is presenter and director of this orchestra. Shirish is professionally a product of COEP 1990 Mechanical and an alumnus of IIM Bangalore with 25 plus years industrial experience with global companies of such as KSB, Tata Motors, Tata Technologies, BMC Software, TCS, Geometrics, etc. He has founded an entrepreneurial business consulting venture, Strota Consultech, and has helped 100 plus businesses for business streamlining and growth. He has demonstrated a revenue growth of about 300% for manufacturing businesses under his consultation. During the pandemic, Shirish has been driving various initiatives to generate, spread, and build positivity through his various Hatke initiatives. Online orchestra is one of the such initiatives. He has been playing harmonica, appearingly relatively very simple, but the most difficult musical instrument to play for last 5 to 6 years. He has performed live and online orchestras hundreds of songs on harmonica, but he is going to sing today for this song. So talking about the song which is presenting and talking about the musician who composed the song, it is Shankar Jaikishan again, who started their career with Prithvi Theatre in 1940s and made debut music director film by RK's Barsat in 1949, followed by Avara, Daag and Shri Charsubis as super duper musical hits. A personal piano of Shankar from Shankar Jaikishan Duo is now donated to and displayed in Pune's iconic National Film Archive of India. This Schidmeyer made 88 keys, 7.5 octave German piano is known to be 80 to 100 years old and used by Shankar Jaikishan in their songs composed for Hindi film industry, majorly under RK's film banner. Shankar Jaikishan have a special piano demonstration room in their music studio as well as sea-facing bungalow on Marine Drive. It's known that Shankar Jaikishan both used to play the piano simultaneously by Shankar on the right side of the piano and Jaikishan on the left side of the piano, and that is the mastery on musical instrument. Shankar Jaikishan introduced singer Subir Sen to Hindi film industry. Though Subir Sen had sung hardly for 11 Hindi movies, he had done tremendous playback work for 200 plus Bengali movies and even acted in 10 plus Hindi and Bengali movies. Surprise to all of us, listen to this very carefully. surprise to all of us the fact that he was offered the lead role in the Hindi movie by Rishikesh Mukherjee for the movie named Abhiman, which he declined, and then it was given to Amitabh Bachchan. It is a mere coincidence that Subir Sen was awarded with Harmonica Sangeet Samman Lifetime Achievement Award. So let's listen this song from our harmonica specialist Shirish, but vocally in the original Subir Sen's flabbergasting voice. Over to you, Shirish.
मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। सपनों की महफिल में हम तुम नए, सपनों की महफिल में हम तुम नए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। दुनिया की नजरों से दूर, दुनिया की नजरों से दूर जाते हम तुम जहां। उस देश की चांदनी गाएगी ये दास्तां। मौसम था वो बहार का, दिल भी मचल गए। सपनों की महफिल में हम तुम नए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। छुप ना सके मेरे राज, छुप ना सके मेरे राज, नगमों में ढलने लगे। रोका था फिर भी ये दिल, पहलू बदलने लगे। ये दिन भी कुछ अजीब थे जो आज कल गए। सपनों की महफिल में हम तुम नए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए। मंजिल वही है प्यार की, राही बदल गए।
Wow, Shirish, what a resemblance. I would like to ask you one very quick question. What special would you like to mention about this song?
Right. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, wonderful. So first and foremost, this I'm experimenting with my voice, so it is one of the first performances. So thank you for bearing with me. I have not learned singing formally, though harmonica I have been getting used to. About this song, when I saw that it is resembling to Hemant Kumar, and it's thanks to Dr. Ashutosh who pointed this out that your voice is resembling the original singer pretty much, Subir Sen.
Subir Sen.
Right, and when I tried it out, I definitely sounded good. I did some of the trials, but let me be honest, antras are definitely on the high pitch notes, and definitely I was definitely taken aback for really performing it well. When you said that it was a harmonica recognition that Subir Sen got, it's a great grand privilege to be able to sing a song that he is sung somebody like him. So thanks a lot for this. Thanks.
Thank you, Shirish. Thank you, Shirish, for that great performance and a very great resemblance. Let's move on to the next song. And may I request Sunil to please come on the screen. Yeah, Sunil Godbole, he's our best friend and he's a renowned celebrity whistling king, Sunil Godbole. He's a consultant in business excellence initiatives, mentoring, training, and hand-holding large-scale improvement in productivity, quality customers with teams. Being a mechanical engineer from COEP, Sunil holds masters from NITI Powai as well. He has worked in industry both in executive and advisory roles for past 28 years. Pursuing his hobby of whistling since last 35 years, he has taken it to a professional level presentations. Surili Whistling Melodies is his registered trademark. Sunil's Surili has performed pan-India through more than 100 live performances ranging from 1 to 3 hours in major cities in India, drawing 15,000 plus audience till date and with 1100 plus at a given point of time in some of his shows. He owns an exclusive YouTube channel as well. He has done shows based exclusively on different themes, singers, music composers such as Manade, R.D. Burman, O.P. Nayyar, Naushad and so on. He has crossed borders of India in number of online shows. Now talking about the song which Sunil is going to perform, I'll just be mentioning few songs, first lines, you will understand who is the music director. लग जा गले से, अपनी आपकी नज़रों ने समझा, यूं हसरतों के दाग मोहब्बत में धो लिए, नैना बरसे रिमझिम वो चुप रहे तो मेरा साया साथ होगा, हम प्यार में जलने वालों को जरा सी आहट होती है, बैया ना धरो. Hundreds of such all-time hit songs with Lataji, musician Madan Mohan had his own unique identity of his compositions in Hindi golden era of music. Lataji acknowledged in live concert that Madan Mohan's compositions are difficult to master. He is Ghazal ka Shehzada. Being a musician, Madan Mohan has given background score for more than 100 films from Aankhein in 1950 to Veer Zara in 2004. Madan Mohan was also a lyricist and has written about 50 famous songs sung by Talat Mahmood and Muhammad Rafi Saab. Madan Mohan is known to have composed 24 songs with strong piano influence in those. The next one is among those 24, picturized on Geeta Bali and obviously sung by Lata Mangeshkar. You shall hear the song word by word in Sunil's whistles. Over to you, Sunil. Wow. Well, Sunil, here comes the question for you. What is different in this song for you as a whistler?
Am I audible?
Yes.
First of all, this is Madan Mohan song. So anything, he is my top favorite. And मला असं वाटतं की प्रत्येक म्युझिक डायरेक्टरची काही ना काहीतरी खासियत असते. पर्सनली मला असं वाटतं की ज्या टाईपच्या रचना त्यांनी दिलेल्या आहेत त्या टोटली आउट ऑफ वर्ल्ड आहेत. आय एम हेड ओव्हर द हिल्स फॅन आहे आणि पियानो आहे आणि मदन मोहनचा आहे म्हणल्यानंतर मला दुसरा काही चॉईस शिल्लकच नाही. हा घ्यायचा आहे पक्कच होतं. या गाण्यामध्ये स्पेशालिटी म्हणजे ज्या पद्धतीने इमोशन्स अतिशय कंट्रोल्ड पद्धतीने हे केलेले आहेत आणि एका त्याच्या सुदिंग त्याच्या रिदम मध्ये प्रत्येक वेळा चैन का आराम का हे शब्द इतक्या सुरेख रीतीने त्याच्यामध्ये आलेले आहेत. आय थिंक दॅट वॉज द रिझन की मला असं वाटलं की सॉन्ग घ्यायलाच पाहिजे. आणि विसल टोन मध्ये जो एक प्रकारची बिल्ट इन हे आहे मेलडी आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, ती मेलडी या गाण्याला एकदम परफेक्ट सूट होते असं मला वाटतं.
ऍब्सोल्युटली. आणि मला वाटतं वेगवेगळ्या स्टांजा सुद्धा वेगवेगळ्या चालीमध्ये आहेत का, असं काही आहे? या
हा म्हणजे ते त्याच्यामध्ये थोडासा डिफरन्स आहे याच्यामध्ये याच्यामध्ये फरक आहे आणि त्यामुळे त्या गाण्याची लज्जत खूपच वाढते.
And as usual, we have read it in the chat box that we could literally hear the words. So even if somebody doesn't know the words, he need not have to read the captions. He could hear those words from your whistles. So that was a great performance, Sunil. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's move on to the next song with the next performer, Vedavati Natu. May I request Vedavati to please come on the screen. Vedavati is from one of the beautiful nature cities in Maharashtra, Vai. She is graduated in electronics from Pune. She is currently looking after management of Panchgani's famous agro restaurant Natu Farms. She has performed live and online in number of occasions in schools and colleges, being strong inclination towards music. Now talking about the song which she is going to perform, her song is again the biggest hit of Lataji and Shankar Jaikishan. Shankar Jaikishan made a major contribution towards the development of jazz music in India and the new genre Indo-Jazz. Their 1968 album Raga Jazz Style is the earliest Indo-Jazz recording in India. This album is considered to be one of the most innovative albums. Shankar Jaikishan created 11 songs based on Indian ragas with saxophone, trumpet, sitar, tabla, bass and of course piano. Next song is Shankar Jaikishan's composition based on Rag Bhairavi, one of the most heart-touching songs, a Viraha Geet from black and white era from Raj Kapoor's super duper hit movie Anadi. And I'm sure that you won't be able to control your tears rolling down when you see a beautiful Nutan weeping during the song. Over to you, Vedavati.
तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना, तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना, कोई देखे कोई देखे बनके तकदीरों का मिट जाना, तेरा जाना। तेरा गम तेरी खुशी, मेरा गम मेरी खुशी, तुझसे ही थी जिंदगी, हंस कर हमने था कहा जीवन भर का साथ है, ये कल ही की बात है। तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना, जब जब चंदा आएगा तेरी याद दिलाएगा, सारी रात जगाएगा, मैं रो कर रह जाऊंगी, दिल जब जिद पर आएगा, दिल को कौन मनाएगा। तेरा जाना दिल के अरमानों का लुट जाना, कोई देखे कोई देखे, बन के तकदीरों का लुट जाना, तेरा जाना।
व्हॉट अ ब्युटिफुल व्हॉइस वेदवती. वेदवती, हे गाणं निवडण्याचं कारण काय?
ऐकू येते मला?
हो, येत आहे.
अनाडीतली गाणी सगळ्यांच्याच आपल्या खूप आवडीची आहे आणि त्यातलं हे जे आहे ते मला स्वतःला खूप आवडतं आणि या शिरीषच्या कार्यक्रमांमुळे अशी स्पेसिफिक गाणी तयार केली जातात मुद्दाम.
ऍब्सोल्युटली.
तर हा, आणि हे तर काय धाडसच आहे माझं हे गाणं म्हणणं, पण त्याच्या निमित्ताने ते खूप 50 वेळा ऐकून आपण म्हणजे त्याची प्रॅक्टिस खूप केली आणि
राईट.
आणि आवडलं ते.
जसं अपेक्षित आहे तसंच ते प्रेक्षकांपर्यंत नक्कीच पोहोचलेलं आहे. चॅटवरती कॉमेंट्स तू नंतर ऐकू शकतेस, वाचू शकतेस.
फक्त प्रयत्न आहे माझा, कारण त्या
नक्कीच.
स्वर्गीय आवाजाचे आपण जवळपास पण जाऊ नाही शकत.
पण आपण प्रयत्न नक्कीच करू शकतो आणि तो खूप उत्कृष्ट प्रयत्न केला आहेस. थँक्यू सो मच वेदावती. Well, let's move on to the next song and the next performer. May I request Dr. Anuradha Gokte to please come on the screen. And we have Dr. Anuradha Sunil Gokte, who is MBBS and DGO by profession. Dr. Anuradha served MGM Hospital for 2 years and in Pune's Gokhale Hospital for 6 years. She worked in Singapore as a special education teacher for 5.5 years. She is interested in singing since her childhood. She has learnt music fundamentals from Shivdas Deglurkar, later from Chitra Deshpande, Madhusudan Bhave, Ranjanatai Bhide. And for last few months, she is getting trained by Uttara Kelkar. She has cleared music exams too. She gets connected to the song through its lyrics first and then its heart-touching composition. The song which she is going to present is another piano hit by Shankar Jaikishan from the movie Love in Tokyo. Love in Shimla, Love in Tokyo and Love in Bombay all featured by Chand Sa Chehra Joy Mukherjee. And all 3 movies were known hits and became famous as Love in Triology. See how the fashion trends are set. It's a very interesting example here. In this movie, Love in Tokyo, Asha Parekh's ponytail was held by a hair clip that consisted of 2 beads on a rubber band. In India, this type of hair clip is still known as Love in Tokyo clip. So over to you, Dr. Anuradha, for a wonderful song.
मुझे तुम मिल गए हमदम, सहारा हो तो ऐसा हो, जिधर देखूं उधर तुम हो, नजारा हो तो ऐसा हो। मुझे तुम मिल गए हमदम, सहारा हो तो ऐसा हो, जिधर देखूं उधर तुम हो, नजारा हो तो ऐसा हो। मुझे तुम मिल गए हमदम। किसी का चांद सा चेहरा नजर से चूम लेती हूँ,
Amazing voice and amazing performance, Dr. Anuradha. A question to you, what has fascinated you to select this song? हेच गाणं का निवडलं?
ओके, नमस्कार. सर्वप्रथम मी शिरीष सर, आशुतोष सर, तुम्हा सर्वांचे आभार मानते की पहिल्यांदाच तुमच्या ऑर्केस्ट्रामध्ये गाणं म्हटलं आणि छान वाटते मला. हेच गाणं का निवडलं तर कुठलंही गाणं गाताना मला त्याची चालीपेक्षा पण आधी शब्द आवडावे लागतात, त्याचा अर्थ आवडावा लागतो. तर ह्या गाण्याचा अर्थ मला खूप आवडला. चालही सुंदर आहे आणि आता उत्तराताईंकडे शिकते आहे त्याच्यामुळे कळतं की कुठलंही गाणं गाताना एक्सप्रेशन्स येणं त्याच्यात खूप महत्वाचं असतं. ह्या गाण्यात त्यामुळे मला ते आवडलं. आवाज थोडा उंच पट्टीवर न्यावा लागत होता किंवा गाणं फास्ट असल्यामुळे
तेही
जलद
एक
गती
चॅलेंज होतं.
श्वास घ्यायला थोडासा मध्ये होता. पण मी एन्जॉय केलं गाणं हे खूपच. अनेक वेळा गाणं गाताना प्रत्येक वेळेस असं वाटत राहतं मनाला की नाही अपूर्ण ह्याच्यात काहीतरी राहिलं. परत पुढच्या वेळेस प्रयत्न करू. पण हे सारखं राहतच असं. आणि ह्या गाण्याचं महत्व म्हणजे अर्थ मला सातत्याने असं वाटायचं की माझा सखा म्हणजे माझा नवरा सुनील आजूबाजूला आहे. मी बघतेय त्याच्याकडे. सो एव्हरी टाइम आय एन्जॉयड सिंगिंग दिस सॉन्ग अ लॉट. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.
So a compliment to Sunil Chand ka chehra, right? So tell our compliments to him. So
Definitely.
thank you, Dr. Anuradha. Let's move on to the next song, and we are at the center of this program. We had heard the first song on real piano played by Vaishali, and this is second song at the mid of the program, which will be played by Atul. May I request Atul to please come on the screen? By profession, Atul is working for Tata Consultancy Services in Berlin, Germany as the consulting head. He has worked with leading organizations such as Godrej, Cummins, Tata Autocomp in India, and also with South Bahawan Group in Muscat, Oman in manufacturing industry. Atul started his music journey right in childhood, where he used to listen to Vivid Bharati like all of us and try to follow the songs playing rhythm on cooking utensils, which he did differently. In early 20s, Atul borrowed a small discarded toy keyboard from his friend and started following the songs on his own. Once he started working and earning money, he purchased a beginner level Yamaha keyboard and started serious self-learning. He learned key aspects of music such as scales, chords, harmony, rhythms by hours of practice. He continued with his music passion and purchased a professional Yamaha keyboard where he could now record multi-track performances, compose rhythms, compose accompanies and voice modulations. Atul by now has performed in many orchestras, arranged music for large performances. He also teaches Bollywood songs to music enthusiasts on keyboard free of cost. Atul has a YouTube channel as well where he uploads his musical performances regularly. Besides passionate in music, Atul is also a mimicry artist with more than 200 stage shows done with mimicking of Bollywood actors, singers and real life characters. Now talking about the song which he is performing, it's by the king of rhythm O.P. Nair. And O.P. Nair is the only musician for whose songs there is a book titled Piano Sheet Music Book for O.P. Nair Hits. O.P. was the only musician who often used 70-piece orchestra. 30 musicians for a song was very common for him. And there were times when he used only 4 to create the same magic when required. For example, his last song composed in the life was Chain Se Humko Kabhi, where he used only 4 musicians, which won Asha Bhosle the Filmfare Award. O.P. Nair Saab happens to be the only musician with no formal training in music. In last few days of his life, he relinquished all his property to his wife and children and stayed like a yogi and was survived only by his piano. Piano resembles the basic old instrument called harpsichord, which was, though invented in Italy, became more famous and widely used in Germany. So let's listen this grand piano directly from Germany, Aapke Haseen Rukh, OP's lingering tune on piano. Over to you, Atul. Amazing, amazing, Atul. That was really fantastic. And I think, like Dharmendra, everyone should get an opportunity to say the same words for two heroines. So, you have been playing piano for so many, maybe thousands and hundreds of songs. What did you see different in this song?
सी वैसे मैं हिंदी का भाषा परिचय
Please.
तो बहुत सारे हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स मराठी समझते नहीं है
Sure.
तो इस गाने में क्या है कि हम ऊपर से देखें तो ये गाना लगता है कि बहुत शांत है और मे बी सिर्फ रिदम का इस्तेमाल है, पियानो का इस्तेमाल है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। उसके पीछे बहुत सारे कॉर्डिंग जो चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारे म्यूजिक के जो लेयर्स चल रहे हैं और बीच में के छोटे छोटे पीसेस है, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लूट के पीसेस है, स्ट्रिंग्स जो है, तो इन सबको सीखने के लिए मुझे ये गाना कम से कम मैंने 40-50 बार सुना। ऐसे ही रात को सोने से पहले दिन में कभी सुन लिया, जब और मैं जब प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था तब कम से कम 20-30 बार सुना है गाना, तो वो बारीकियां जानने के लिए। और तब पता चलता है कि ये जो ओपिनियर को हमेशा जो टांगा स्पेशलिस्ट या फिर उस तरह के जो ढिंचैक गाने होते हैं उसके लिए याद किया जाता है आमतौर पर। लेकिन यहाँ पे हमको पता चलता है कि अरे नहीं, उनके बहुत सारे आयाम थे और बहुत कम साजों का इस्तेमाल करके फिर भी इमोशंस कैसे क्रिएट किया जा सकता है, उसके लिए ये गाना मुझे बहुत अमेजिंग लगा।
That's really great, and it was really a very wonderful performance, Atul. In fact, we
Thank
should
you.
not say this because you have been doing it for years. So, in fact, we shouldn't
No,
say
no.
this. We are not
Thank you.
authorized to do that. So that was
बहुत
really
धन्यवाद।
great, Atul, for joining us directly from Germany. So we are really honored for your presence. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's move on to the next performance and next performer, Dr. Vijaya Puranik. May I request you to please come on the screen. Dr. Vijaya Puranik has got 23 plus years of experience in academics. She holds PhD in leadership. She is currently leading Sinhagat Business Schools as a director. She is a devoted disciple of her master Madhusudan Patwardhan, from whom she has cultured lessons of Gwalior Gharana. She has mastered Indian classical music since her early career and performed in number of musical programs. Now let's see the coincidence. The song which she is going to perform is from such a movie where major Bengali people are associated with it. The director of the movie is Hrishikesh Mukherjee, a Bengali. Main heroine of the movie is Sharmila Tagore, another Bengali. Hero in the song is Tarun Bose, another Bengali. And last but not the least, the music director Hemant Kumar, also Bengali. He is the second hero to popularize Rabindra Sangeet, was said to be by this great musician Hemant Kumar after the first legendary Pankaj Malik. Hemantada was an active member of IPTA, that is Indian People's Theatre Association, with musician Salil Chaudhary. Hemantada did background scores and playback for 138 Bengali and 55 Hindi movies in 12 plus Indian languages. He has bagged 15 plus national music awards of repute. So coming up with the song, one of the delicate songs of Hemanda, composing on highly delicate words of Kaifi Azmi. Listen to these words. उसके दामन की खुशबू हवाओं में है, उसके कदमों की आहट फजाओं में है, मुझको करने दे 16 सिंगार, रूठ के पहले जी भर सताऊंगी मैं, जब मनाएंगे वो मान जाऊंगी मैं, दिल पे रहता है ऐसे कभी इख्तियार, धीरे धीरे मचल ए दिले बेकरार कोई आता है. Over to you, Dr. Vijaya.
धीरे धीरे मचल है दिले बेकरार, धीरे धीरे मचल है दिले बेकरार कोई आता है, यूं तड़प के न तड़पा मुझे बार बार कोई आता है, धीरे धीरे मचल है दिले बेकरार। उसके दामन की खुशबू हवाओं में है, उसके कदमों की आहट
Amazing, ji. Amazing, Dr. Vijaya. You have been an inseparable part of our all orchestras online so far. पण हे गाणं का सिलेक्ट केलं? What is so special about this song?
ऍक्च्युली प्रोग्राम जेव्हा ठरला तेव्हा शिरीषजीने गाणं सजेस्ट केलं की वुड यू बी इंटरेस्टेड इन सिंगिंग दिस सॉन्ग फॉर द प्रोग्राम. आणि आतापर्यंत जी गाणी म्हटली त्याच्यात मला असं जाणवतं की लताजींची जी ठहराव असलेली गाणी असतात ना ती एक चॅलेंज असतं म्हणायला. जसं म्हणजे शर्मा आती है मगर किंवा चुपके चुपके चल रही पुरवैया अशी गाणी मी कधी प्रोग्रामला म्हटली नव्हती. तर हे सुद्धा गाणं मी थोडंसं चॅलेंज म्हणून घेतलं की ठीक आहे ह्यावेळेला असं एक लताजींचं ठहरावचं गाणं म्हणून बघूया. कारण त्यांची जी जागा घ्यायची पद्धत असते किंवा त्या गाण्याचा मूड आणण्याची जी पद्धत असते लताजींची ती फार अवघड असते असं मला वाटतं. तर
इमोशन्स डायरेक्ट त्या गाण्यामध्ये येतात.
हो, इमोशन्स. आणि प्लस मला एक गाताना असं चॅलेंज वाटला की या गाण्याचे लिरिक्स कॅफी अजमींनी लिहिलेले आहेत. तर त्याच्यात म्हणजे गाणं जरी ठहराव म्हणजे म्युझिक जरी ठहरावचं आहे तरी त्या वर्डिंग्स मध्ये एक चंचलता आहे की ए दिले बेकरार कोई आ रहा है. तर हे ठहराव आणि त्याच्यातली चंचलता ही कशी काय आपल्याला आवाजातून आणि मूड मधून आणता येईल असं थोडंसं मला थोडं स्ट्रगल वाटलं. पण इट वॉज अ good challenge and I hope I could do justice to both the moods in the song.
Definitely 100% we would say.
Yeah, that was a great experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Vijaya. Thank you so much. Well, next song is the third song of the orchestra, which is composed by Naushad Saab from the movie Ram Aur Sham, which was released long back in 1967 when many of we were born. And this was the second highest grossing film of that year after Upkar in India and after Hamraz in Soviet Union. Dilip Kumar, who was known as the tragedy king, surprised the audience with his comic performance in this movie, which won him the best actor at 15th Filmfare Awards, and he has performed with co-stars Wahida Rahman, Mumtaz and Pran. The song is sung by Mohammad Rafi, Naushad, Shakil Badayuni and performed on Dilip Saab and Wahida Rahman. Check the coincidence again. Music director Naushad, lyricist Shakil Badayuni and singer Mohammad Rafi, all the three unfortunately are not alive today. Whereas actor Dilip Kumar, 98 years, though in hospital at this moment, and actress Wahida Rahman, 83 years, both are living legends. So let me do this gustaki to present this amazing and perfect piano song. Shirish, please.
Yeah, so I'll take this opportunity to get Dr. Ashutosh introduced. He is the one who is an anchor, and he has been our friend, dear friend from CUP days. He has done his MBA and PhD in HR, and after working for 5.5 years in working outside, he has settled into academics. A multifaceted person, very humble. He's an HR trainer and a consultant for the last 22 years, in addition to being a director of MBA Institute in DYP IMS. He has guided a number of PhD students as such, and he is a certified psychometric test professional from USA. A great person who has visited 15 countries for presenting his research paper. And he has got a unique book on his name. He's written a book on management in Bhagavad Gita, and he has delivered more than 100 such sessions out in public. He is Sangeet's Visharad in Tabla and has performed songs across hundreds of live and online programs, banging prizes into that. So great, Ashutosh. You've been a great buddy, great person, to really be associated. And hats off to the kind of facets that you have. So let's listen to your song.
Thank you. Thank you.
ये रात जैसे दुल्हन बन गई, शराबों से करूँगा उजाला मैं दिल के दागों से। आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले। कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा। आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले। तेरी महफिल तेरे जलवे हो मुबारक तुझको, तेरी उल्फत से नहीं आज भी इनकार मुझे। तेरा मकान सलामत रहे है जान वफा, मुस्कुरा कर तू जरा देख ले एक बार मुझे। फिर तेरे प्यार का मस्ताना चला जाएगा, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा। आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले। मैंने चाहा कि बता दूं मैं हकीकत अपनी, तूने लेकिन न मेरा राज मोहब्बत समझा। मेरी उलझन मेरे हालात यहाँ तक पहुँचे, तेरी आँखों ने मेरे प्यार को नफरत समझा। अब तेरी राह से बेगाना चला जाएगा, कल तेरी बज़्म से दीवाना चला जाएगा, शम्मा रह जाएगी परवाना चला जाएगा। आज की रात मेरे दिल की सलामी ले ले, दिल की सलामी ले ले।
Well, let's move on to next performance again by Sunil Godbole. May I request Sunil to please come on the screen for the next song. Well, this song is again a vigorous piano song. Mike McAdoo was the pianist with C. Ramchandra and later for R.D. and Lakshmikant Pyarelal. After Mike, post-1978, renowned pianist Tony Pinto played for Lakshmikant Pyarelal's orchestra and for the Coming Up song. In one of the reality shows where Pyarelal ji was invited, the judge of the show, famous singer Adnan Sami, who is also a renowned pianist, spontaneously played the tune of Karj composed by Lakshmikant Pyarelal on live piano in the live show to respect Lakshmikant Pyarelal ji. LP was the music director to some who have used piano in majority of their songs, even for fillers of minimum 3 to 4 seconds to the longest prelude composed of 1 minute and 11 seconds on a rare white colored piano, interludes of 20 to 58 seconds and longest postlude of 56 seconds on piano. The coming up song, presented by whistle maestro Sunil, has got the impactful prelude of 34 seconds on piano with interludes of 20 seconds each, picturized on Manoj Kumar, Vahida Rehman, Mumtaz and Pran, the title song of the movie Patthar Ke Sanam. Over to you, Sunil. Well, Sunil, we have been seeing you whistling for last 35 years, but what is the challenge in this song?
Actually, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
आपण बघितलं की सगळे आय थिंक ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पियानो सॉंग्स आर एक्सट्रीमली मेलोडियस आणि मे बी इट्स सम कोइन्सिडन्स दॅट पियानो सॉंग्स हॅव टू बी ऑफ दॅट लेवल ऑफ मेलोडी. याच्यामध्ये चॅलेंज म्हणजे यस पहिलं म्हणजे लक्ष्मीकांत पॅरेलालजींचं गाणं आहे आणि ते खूप हाय पिच मध्ये त्यांची गाणी असतात. त्यातून ही विसल आहे त्यामुळे ते अजून हाय पिचला अजून एक ऑक्टेव्ह वर जाते. त्यामुळे श्रिलनेस हा त्याच्यामधला एक प्रॉब्लेम होता आणि मला रेकॉर्डिंग करताना 2-3 वेळा लक्षात आलं की ते नाही जमत आहे. तिसरा प्रॉब्लेम असा होता की त्याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे अतिशय आपल्या जवळच्या माणसाने काहीतरी खूप मोठा गुन्हा केल्यानंतर त्याला रागवायचंही नसतं पण रागवायचंही असतं. असं करताना आपण सुरुवात पहिल्यांदा अगदी अशी करतो की बाळा हे काय झालं, असं झालं, तसं झालं आणि मग एकदम एक जोरात होतो की नाही रे तुझ्याकडनं असं अपेक्षित नव्हतं. तर ते तसं त्याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे चेहरा तेरा दिल में लिए मध्ये एकदम सॉफ्ट स्टार्ट आहे आणि एकदम ठोकर लगेला खूप जोरात पंच आहे आणि पत्थर के सनमला सगळ्यात हायेस्ट पंच आहे. त्यामुळे ते करताना तो सॉफ्ट आणि हार्डचा बॅलन्स न होऊन देता करणे. त्यामुळे हे माझं अगदी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट गाणं आहे. फॉर एक पॅक्ड इमोशन्स असलेलं गाणं आहे. मला ते खूपच आवडतं.
म्हणजे बरीचशी सर्कस तुला करावं लागली खर्जातून वरच्या तार स्वरात.
बॅलन्स्ड इमोशन्स त्या एकाच इन्स्ट्रुमेंट विसलाचं इन्स्ट्रुमेंट मधून प्रोड्यूस करणे दॅट वॉज आय थिंक डेफिनेटली अ चॅलेंज.
Well, that may be one of the reasons that all of us could whistle, but then none of us could whistle like Sunil. Thank you, Sunil, for that wonderful performance.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, going to the next third last song of the orchestra by Dr. Prasad Bhange. May I request Dr. Prasad to please come on the screen. Welcome, Dr. Prasad. He is one of the biggest fans of Manna Dey in Hindi and Sudhir Phadke in Marathi. Dr. Prasad Bhange is a genius performer. Having won number of awards at national levels, Dr. Prasad has even performed on Sahyadri channel's Rag Ek Rang Anek. He has performed many live programs through his own orchestra Kalavishkar. Being a doctorate in management, he has profound experience of 18 years in industry and 13 years of academics. His experience is spread over many countries such as Thailand, Malaysia, Rwanda, Africa and so on. Currently, he is the director of an MBA institute in Ratnagiri. Talking about the song, which is by a Marathi-speaking Goan musician who did the background scores for 50 majorly Hindi and few Marathi films. This musician was an assistant to and originally found by S.D. Burman. Though commercially, musician couldn't succeed much, he made some tunes so fine in Hindi and Marathi, those made the history in Hindi film industry, working with Sahil Ludhianvi, Rafi, Lata and Asha. तू हिंदू बनेगा ना मुसलमान बनेगा, इंसान की औलाद है इंसान बनेगा, पोंछकर अश्क अपनी आंखों से, सर उठाओ तो कोई बात बने, जान गई मैं तो जान गई. And there are many such songs, beautiful soft songs, along with famous Marathi song sung by Suman Kalyanpurkar, लिंबुणीच्या झाडामागे चंद्र झोपला ग बाई. And this musician is none other than Dattaram Baburao Naik, aka N. Datta, who himself was a great harmonium player and a pianist. N. Datta has composed music for few Marathi movies. One of those is Aparadh, featured by a romantic Marathi couple from Marathi film industry, Ramesh Dev and Seema. This song is sung by Mahendra Kapoor and filmed on Smiling Hero Ramesh Dev. The only Marathi song of this orchestra because of N. Datta's great piano tune, Surate's Sheri Kadita. Over to you, Dr. Prasad.
सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, आज ना भले सखी सौख्य जे मला हवे हो, सूरत छेड़ता. अबोल प्रीत बहरली हो, कई हल चमली हो, अबोल प्रीत बहरली कई हल चमली, वेदना सुखावली हासली तुझा सवे हो, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, आज ना भले सखी सौख्य जे मला हवे हो, सूरत छेड़ता. ला 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 एकता तेरी स्मृति हो, तुझ्या सभोवती हो, एकता तरी स्मृती तुझ्या सभोवती, बोललो कसे किती शब्द शब्द आठवे हो, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, आज ना भले सखी सौख्य जे मला हवे हो, सूरत छेड़ता जीत उमटले लगे, सूरत छेड़ता. La 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 la. Ha 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 ha.
वेल अमेझिंग डॉक्टर प्रसाद. पूर्ण हिंदी गाण्याच्या पियानोवरच्या ऑर्केस्ट्रामध्ये एक मराठी वेगळं गाणं, काय सांगाल या गाण्याबद्दल?
या ॲम आय ऑडिबल?
येस सर.
ओके. या गाण्याबद्दल सांगायचं म्हणजे या गाण्यात सगळी बॅकग्राऊंड आणि सगळीच जरा बंडखोरी आहे. आणि म्हणजे कारण का आपण नॉर्मली व्हॉट वी नो इज सीमा रमेश देव, गदिमा बाबूजी, एकदम म्हणजे गोल्डन कॉम्बिनेशन. आपल्याला म्हणजे बरं वाटतं ते सगळं. तर त्याला पहिल्यांदा तडा घालवलेला आहे इथे. म्हणजे इथे एन दत्ता आहेत, त्यानंतर ह्याला प्लेबॅकला महेंद्र कपूरजी आहेत, म्हणजे सगळंच एकदम बाबूजी नाहीत, म्हणजे त्यामुळे त्याला जरा थोडासा एक वेगळा बाज आलेला आहे. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट, रोलमध्ये सुद्धा त्यांच्या मूवीमध्ये जे रोल आहेत ते सुद्धा थोडे निगेटिव्हच आहेत. तर त्याच्यामुळे हे एक जरा मला वेगळं गाणं वाटलं. आणि तरी म्हणजे एवढे सगळे त्याच्यामध्ये भेद असून सुद्धा अतिशय सुरेख असं, अतिशय सोपं असं आणि गोड असं गाणं एन दत्ताजींनी तयार केलंय आणि बाकी सगळ्यांनी प्रेझेंट केलंय. आता मी त्याच्यामध्ये आपलं जे काय आपण रिपिटेशन करतोय असंच म्हणता येईल की ते मी जास्तीत जास्त चांगल्या पद्धतीने तुमच्या सर्वांच्या आशीर्वादाने प्रेझेंट करण्याचा प्रयत्न केलाय. तर हे म्हणजे त्याच्या पाठीमागे मला आवडण्याचं कारण म्हणजे हे आहे की एकदम रेअर कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि त्यात परत मराठी गाणं आणि पियानोवरचं हे सुद्धा
I think Dr. Prasad is disconnected.
That's fine. We can proceed.
So we'll proceed to the next song, the second last song of the orchestra. May I request Ravindraji to please come on the stage? Am I audible, Shirish?
You are indeed. You are indeed.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So this song is performed by Ravindra Bhatia ji, who's running Ravindra Logistics. Ravindra ji is into road transportation for his logistics, which is working pan-India in full truck loads for about last 5 decades. Ravindra ji was inclined towards music since his primary school days, but never had a courage to sing. Journey of his singing started from his first year of engineering, and it was the first time he held the mic in his hand to sing. And later in coming years, Ravindra ji participated in city's youth circle and also won few prizes which increased his confidence in singing. So talking about the song which is performing, there is one story which says that as a child, whenever this musician who has composed this song, so as a child, whenever he used to cry, it sounded in the 5th note of Indian classical music, that is G scale of music. In another story says that he could cry in 5 different notes, and hence this child's first nickname Tublu was changed and became the famous nickname Pancham. It's very difficult to describe Panchamda alias R.D. Burman and his out-of-the-box compositions using very passionate orchestration and a brilliant amalgamation of Western and Indian music. Ardent mouth organ and tabla player, R.D. used all possible instruments in the world in his music, including many unconventional instruments too. Renowned pianists like Mike Mikado, Chitti Pillai and Louis Banks were in R.D.'s troupe to play his piano songs. Even Kesari Lord was one of the greatest synthesizer and accordion players, was amongst his associates. He has composed, R.D. Burman has composed 331 movies. R.D. used piano and accordion extensively in his compositions. The second last song of our Grand Piano Orchestra is one of the nominated songs of R.D. picturized on Rishi Kapoor and Tina Munim Ambani. The song is from the movie Bade Dilwala. The Bade Dilwala movie is supposed to be or said to be the remake of Kati Patang with a gender change, of course. And this song, Jeevan Ke Din Chote Sahi, is picturized 3 times in a song, sung by 4 different singers. First it was sung by Kishore Kumar, then duet by Lata and Udit Narayan, and third duet by Udit Narayan and Baby Pinky. So let's hear the song from Ravindra Bhatia, Jeevan Ke Din.
La 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 जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले का रंगीन मौसम, ये खूबसूरत जमाना, जीने का रंगीन मौसम, ये खूबसूरत जमाना, अपने यही चार पल है, आगे है क्या किसने जाना, जीना जिसे आता है वो इनमें ही मौज मना ले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले, जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले। ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है, ये जिंदगी है दवा भी, ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है, ये जिंदगी है दवा भी, दिल तोड़ना ही न जाने, जाने ये दिल जोड़ना भी, इस जिंदगी का शुक्रिया सदके मैं ऊपर वाले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले, जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले, ला 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 ला, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले, सोचे जो हिम्मत वाले।
रविंद्र जी सत श्री अकाल। हमने तो आपको बहुत सुना है किशोर कुमार के गाने गाते हुए, तो इस गाने में अलग क्या था?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये एक फेवरेट कॉम्बिनेशन आरडी और किशोर का था, जो कि मेरे दिल मतलब काफी दिल के नजदीक है ये कॉम्बिनेशन। और इसमें जो एनर्जी थी, इस गाने के अंदर एनर्जी थी, पियानो के ऊपर और गाने का इस टफ टाइम में मुझे लगा कि व्हाई नॉट ट्रांसमिट दिस पॉजिटिव एनर्जी टू द ऑडियंस। और एक मैसेज है, एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है जो सबको ट्रांसमिट हो। और डिफिकल्ट थोड़ा इसमें ये लगा है गाने में कि जो ऊपर के नोट्स थे, जैसे दिन, तो दिन में आपकी टंग ऊपर रहती है और उस स्टेडी नोट को आप मेंटेन करके रखते हो, और गाने में बहुत पावर लगती है इस गाने में। तो आपने जो गाया है वो अमेजिंग, मतलब उसको बार बार अगर इस गाने को गा दो तो पसीना छूटता था।
Yeah, but we must admire that your voice very much resembles with Kishore Kumar, and your face also is as smiling as Rishi Kapoor in the song. Yeah. So thank you Ravindra ji for a wonderful performance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And for the next and last performance of the orchestra, may I request Shirish again to please come on the screen. Yeah. This is the last song of the orchestra from the movie, produced and screenplayed by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. This film received 5 Filmfare Awards: Best Art Direction, Best Choreography, Best Sound Recording, and Best Debut Director Pradeep Sarkar, and Best Debut Actress Vidya Balan. And a special R.D. Burman Award to the Music Director Shantanu Moitra. The movie has in flashback a signature tune of piano of hero's childhood. movie's passionate musician hero keeps on playing tunes of Rabindranath Tagore or Elvis Presley and composing new tunes on his piano. Shantanu Moitra has brilliantly used saxophone in movie's special appearance song by Rekha, sung by Sunidhi Chauhan, Kaisi Pehli Hai Ye Zindagani. With equal brilliance and outstanding talent, Shantanu has used very subtle notes of piano in the romantic song presented to you by Shirish on harmonica, Piyu Bole, Piya Bole from the movie Parinita. Over to you, Shirish.
La la la, hey, you are mine. La la la, hey, say you're mine.
அப்புறம் இந்த இது
Amazing, Shirish. You have been playing harmonica since years. What is the challenge in this song?
So the reason that this song was selected was definitely, we are doing everything hatke. So this song sounded simple, but realized that it is extremely difficult. And let me tell you, जेव्हा मी पहिल्यांदा वाजवलं, when I played it once, first time, then first critic is my wife, where I show it to her. And very honestly, the feedback was, "अरे लहान मुलांनी वाजवल्यासारखं वाजतंय." It's so there are a lot of nuances in this song, a lot of melody, a lot of vibrations, a lot of expressions, a lot of continuing kind of, and there are some notes which are absolutely bang on, straight notes. I have been able to do some justice to some extent, but in my life sometimes I'll be able to play the songs more the better. But that was a major challenge for me. I must have played this more than 40-50 times. I've taken guidance from Nandu Belwalkar, who is an expert in harmonica, from you, Sunil, Ashutosh, you, Vaishali, to really refine this song, because it is a very difficult composition, and it's wonderful to present it in this form. Thanks.
Right. Thank you, Shirish. That was our Hatke Orchestra attempt to present the best tunes of piano in a limited time. I must appreciate and thank the different notes of our piano. The stable notes, Shadja pianist Vaishali and Pancham pianist Atul, and other notes, Rishabh Shirish, Komal Rishabh Rajeshri, Gandhar Sunil, Komal Gandhar Dr. Umesh, Madhyam Dr. Prasad, Tivra Madhyam Ravindra Bhai, Dhaivat Dr. Anuradha, Komal Dhaivat Vedavati, Nishad Dr. Vijaya, and Komal Nishad me. And hammers of our piano to sing the exact strings we struck, Dr. Kedar Joshi, Atul Shet Desai, and the RT teacher Sar Desai. And many thanks to my co-friends Shirish, Sunil and Raishri for making this orchestra to move on. And last but not the least, all our supporter friends who are like pedals and strings to drive this orchestra and keeping it in tune. Thank you so much, and over to you, Shirish, for the
wonderful
feedback.
I think it is great happiness. Is there an echo when I'm speaking?
No,
is okay,
it's absolutely clear.
So it's wonderful to get this together, and it's a happy feeling when it gets completed. So now let's quickly get to the audience, and I see, Purana Sahib is there. Nanaji is still around. Nanaji, you want to speak first? Nanaji? Let's take input because they have been patiently waiting for 1.5 hours for giving feedback. It's most important to get their feedback. Yeah. Please unmute yourself.
Video also, video.
We will.
Kulkarni Sahab,
Namaste ji.
You have been doing so well every time. And this time also you have played such a number which was difficult in tune and as well as in rhythm, that is in Hindi tal.
Yes.
Dada tal, it was difficult, but you have done so well.
आपकी आशीर्वाद है.
और जहाँ तक सब आर्टिस्ट का ताल्लुक है, all of them, most of them are Maharashtrians, but their pronunciation and their music was superb. I was looking for the pronunciation, graduation in Persian and Urdu. So everybody was superb in his or in her way. I must appreciate everyone, and particularly Dr. Ashutosh. Oh, Dr. Ashutosh. He is doing so well that I was paid so much for my doing announcements and for comparing the shows. I don't deserve that much. It is his right. He is doing so well. My daughter is also full of praise for him. He is doing very, very well. I appreciate him and I wish him the best of success. And particularly another thing, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदा और पैदा. इन्होंने ऐसे ऐसे कलाकार पैदा किए हैं, ढूंढे हैं, कोई जर्मनी से, कोई महाराष्ट्र के अमरावती और कहाँ से ढूंढ के, and each and every person was fully highly educated. That is a matter of surprise and honor. I'm really very happy with Dr. Ashutosh and with all the participants, whoever participated. I congratulate all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nanaji. Keep your blessings on us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful. Excellent. Anybody else wants to give their feedback? Please raise your hand or just unmute yourself and feel free. This is the time for you. Your inputs, definitely. In the meantime, I would request everybody all the performers to come on the stage so that we can take a snap, as well as bow to all the audience that we have. Wonderful.
Anuradha, say something.
Yes.
Yeah, Anuradha.
Saurabh has left.
I think he has left. I just checked.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else wants to give a feedback? Please go ahead. It is your time. We are all ears to hear you. How was the program? How was the
मला बोलायचं आहे.
Please.
फारच सुंदर कार्यक्रम झाला, अगदी युनिक होता आणि अगदी आम्ही मंत्रमुग्ध होऊन ऐकला सगळ्यांचाच कार्यक्रम. वेगवेगळ्या देशातनं सगळे जोडले गेले आहेत, त्यात माझी मैत्रीण देखील आहे. अप्रतिम गायली आहे ती आणि ती अगदी मनापासून गायली आहे. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी एवढा सुंदर कार्यक्रम केला याबद्दल अगदी मनापासून आम्हाला ऐकता आलं. मला जॉईन होता येत नव्हतं, खूप प्रयत्नांनी जॉईन झाले आणि खूपच छान वाटलं. असेच कार्यक्रम करा आणि आम्हाला इन्व्हाइट करा.
थँक्यू.
ती चिठ्ठी देखील इतकी सुंदर होती, ऐकून म्हणजे अगदीच वेगळं वाटलं, छान वाटलं. फारच मनापासून अभिनंदन सगळ्यांचं.
अपर्णा भाविस्कर बोलतायत, राईट? पुण्याहून का बाहेरनं बोलताय?
मी ठाण्यातनं बोलतीये.
छान छान, राईट. आणि डॉक्टर अनुराधांची मैत्रीण तुम्ही?
हो हो हो, डॉक्टर अनुराधांची मी मैत्रीण. आम्ही सिंगापूरला पण बरोबरच होतो.
छान, एक्सलंट. कसं आहे की दिस इज अ जर्नी टू स्प्रेड हॅपीनेस थ्रू म्युझिक अँड वी आर जस्ट डुईंग व्हॉट एव्हर लिटिल बिट दॅट वी कुड. एनीबडी एल्स वॉन्ट्स टू गिव्ह देअर इनपुट्स?
लॉकडाऊनचे एवढे साईड इफेक्ट्स आहेत, थोड्या वेळ ते बाजूला ठेवले आणि सगळ्यांचं ऐकल्यामुळे फारच छान वाटलं. डॉक्टर
अनुराधा आमच्या 6 महिन्यापूर्वीच आम्हाला म्हटलं ना, एखादा हिरा सापडल्यासारखे त्या आमच्या बरोबर असोसिएट झाल्या आणि नाव इट इज द टाइम दॅट वी कुड हॅव हर और लिसन टू हर लाईव्ह. ग्रेट टू हॅव हर. वंडरफुल. थँक्स.
अगदी खरंय.
छान. आणि कोणी आहे का आपल्याला आपल्याकडे फीडबॅक